The Snæfellsnes Peninsula, often referred to as Iceland in miniature, is a captivating and diverse region that encapsulates the breathtaking beauty of Iceland's natural landscapes in a compact area. Located on the western coast of the country, this peninsula is a haven for travelers seeking to experience the full spectrum of Icelandic wonders, from dramatic coastlines and charming fishing villages to majestic mountains and volcanic formations. The allure of the Snæfellsnes Peninsula lies in its variety of attractions and its proximity to Reykjavik, making it a popular choice for those seeking a comprehensive Icelandic experience. The iconic Snæfellsjökull volcano, with its glacier-capped peak, serves as the centerpiece of the region and is believed by many to hold mystical powers and spiritual significance. The surrounding Snæfellsjökull National Park offers hiking trails that lead to breathtaking viewpoints and unique geological formations, including lava fields and sea cliffs. The peninsula's coastline is equally captivating, with rugged cliffs, black sand beaches, and coastal rock formations that showcase the dynamic forces of nature. Arnarstapi and Helnir, two picturesque fishing villages, offer stunning views of the ocean and opportunities to explore sea caves and witness seabird colonies. Birdwatchers will appreciate the diverse avian life that thrives in the area, including puffins and other seabirds nesting along the cliffs. The nearby Lundrangar basalt sea stacks create an eerie and awe-inspiring sight, adding to the region's mystical allure. Visitors can also explore charming towns like Stykkishólmur, with its colorful houses and historic buildings, and Grundarfjörður, known for its proximity to the iconic Kirkjuffell mountain and its role in various film and television productions. The Snæfellsnes Peninsula offers a range of outdoor activities, including glacier hikes, horseback riding, and whale-watching tours. The area's geothermal pools and hot springs provide relaxation after a day of exploration. The peninsula's connection to literature and folklore, including Jules Verne's novel A Journey to the Center of the Earth, adds an extra layer of intrigue to the region. The Snæfellsnes Peninsula encapsulates the essence of Iceland's diverse landscapes in a concentrated area. Whether you're marveling at the glacier-capped volcano, exploring the coastline's dramatic features, wandering through charming villages, or connecting with the region's mystical heritage, the Snæfellsnes Peninsula promises an unforgettable and deeply immersive experience that captures the heart of Iceland's natural beauty, the wonder of its geological forces, and the timeless allure of a destination that stands as a testament to the Earth's creative energies and the breathtaking beauty they